Welcome to today's video. Today's lesson we'll be looking at factors of numbers. Now we by definition understand that factors of numbers factors of numbers are actually the value that can divide another number without remainder. For instance, 8 is known to have 1, 2, 4 and 8 as its factor. Now these numbers are the factors of 8 because they can actually divide 8 without remainder. For instance, 8 divided by 1, it will give you 8. 8 divided by 2 will give you 4. You see, 8 divided by 4 will give you 2. That's 2. Then 8 divided by 8 will give you 8. We give you 1 rather. So by far these are the only factors of 8. So 8 is known to have only 4 factors. Knowing factors is very important because it will affect our factorization as we go further to learn factorization of algebraic expressions. So we need to know what factors are because it's going to be about bringing out the factors. Bringing out the factors. And talking about the factors of 8, the HCF, that's the highest common factor here, is 8 followed by 4. If you're not including 8, it has to be 4. Okay, so is there any method of doing it? Let's use this method. How did I generate this? I can let me look at, if we draw don't think so, but I don't know, there's another way of going about it, but that's a factor though. As a factor, let's look at 10 for instance. What are the factors of 10? I mean numbers that can divide 10. 10 divided by 1, for instance, 10 divided by 1 is 10, so 1 is a factor. 10 divided by 2 is 5, so 2 is a factor. 10 divided by 3 will give us a decimal number, so we are not going for 10 with 3. 10 divided by 4 is a decimal as well. 10 divided by 5, see, 10 divided by 5 will give us 2, so 5 is a factor as well. 6 we don't have two groups of 6 in 10. 7 also. 8 we don't have it. We don't have 9. We also have 10 divided by 10. 10 divided by 10 will give us 1. So we have 10 as also a factor. So these are actually the factors of 10. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Okay, so that's what we mean by factors. So let's look at other numbers as well. Maybe something odd. Look at other numbers. Let's look at other numbers. Let's check which of these are the factors of 9. Let's consider 9. Let's write this as the factors and check. 1, 2, 3, 6, and 9. So the question is, which of these is not a factor of 9? Now 9 divided by 1 will give us 9, so 9 is a factor. 9 divided by 2 will give us 4.5, so 4 is not a factor. Cross that out. I mean 2 is not a factor. 9 divided by 3 will give us 2. Is it 2? No, it gives us 3, so 3 is a factor. Now 9 divided by 6 won't give us a whole number, so 6 is not a factor. This is not a factor. Now 9 divided by 9 will give us 1, a whole number, so 9 is a factor. So in this checkbox, we only have 1, 3, and 9 to be the factors of 9. And by far, of course, these are the only numbers that are considered to be the factors of 9. There are only 3 of them: 1, 3, and 9. Now let's have other numbers too. Numbers like bigger numbers now, like 20, 20, for instance. Using the multiplication table, I know that 1 times, for instance, 1 times 20, 1 times 20 of course is 20. 2 times 10 is 20. Okay, see, So 3 times 10 won't give me 20. 3 times 10 will give me 24. 4 times 5 will give me 20. You see, then 5 times 4, which is the same thing as 4 times 5, will give me 20. Let's say 5 times 4, if I must write that, will give me 20. 6 times nothing will give me 27. 8, 9, 10. 10 times 2, which I've written before, will give me 20. 11 times nothing will give me, the whole number won't give me 20. So by far, these are the what will I say? These are the factors. Look at them. These numbers here are the factors of 20. The numbers here are the factors of 20. The numbers there are the factors of 20. I'm talking about 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 10, including 20 itself. Of course, including 20 itself. So 20 is known to have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10. This is 10, 10, 20. How many factors? That's 6 factors. Okay, of which apart from 20 itself, 10 is the highest factor, not the common, highest factor. Now let's lesson under our next lesson on the factors. We'll be comparing the factors of two numbers. Then we'll identify what we call the HCF. The HCF is the highest common factors. Okay, so you can check in the link in the description below. It will link you to the video treating that topic. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.